Good morning, students. It's day 2 of our class, and today we are going to start with Newland's law of octaves. After Dobereiner, other chemists also encouraged and correlate the properties of elements with their atomic masses. In 1866, John Newland arranged the element in order of increasing atomic masses. He started with the hydrogen because hydrogen has a lowest atomic mass. At the time of Newland, only 56 elements were known, and 56th element is thorium. He started with hydrogen and ended with thorium. During his work, what he found that every eighth element had same property as that of first, so that he compared this property with the octaves found in music. And what are the octaves found in music? That is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. The first word sa and the eighth word sa. So he compared this with the elements. So he called that law of octaves. This is Newland's law of octave table. See, you can see that here. First element and the eighth element are of same colors, means the first element and the eighth element has similar property. So he arranged it in this order. Here we have some limitations. This law was applicable up to calcium only. This table contained only 56 elements, and Newland assumed that no more elements would be discovered in future. That's why he didn't leave any space between his table. Newland adjusted two elements in the same slot. For example, you can see that in the table, cobalt and nickel are placed in same slot in same column. These were the limitations. Next we have Mendeleev's periodic table. After Dobereiner and Newland, Mendeleev started his work with 63 elements because at his time 63 elements were discovered. He again classified the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses and similarities in their properties. In his table, 6 horizontal rows called periods and 8 vertical rows called groups. And he also left some spaces between the table so that he can accommodate a newly discovered element in that space. There are some merits, means advantages, you can say, of Mendeleev's periodic table. First advantage is elements were classified on the basis of their atomic masses and their properties. Number second, he left some spaces to accommodate new elements. He keep the inert gas elements in a separate group without disturbing the table. These were the merits. Here we have some defects of this table. Some elements are not arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Number second, position of hydrogen is not clear in this table because hydrogen shows similar properties to metal and non-metal as well. Number third, position of isotopes of elements is also not cleared in his table. This is your homework. You have to solve these 3 questions. and you have to read 80 to 84 page number of your NCERT book for your better understanding. Thank you.